welding products design experience in European and American market, RHK TECH Welding work well as a professional partner of global distributors. With extensive experience and passion in the manufacturing industry, we gradually grew into the best provider of welding consumables, labor protection products, abrasives, and other welding-related products for steel fabrication, shipyards, and so on. Our mission is to find the affordable, quality products you are looking for. We work closely with innovative welding manufacturers to provide customized products that fit your needs. Experienced in exporting every kind of welding product to over 50 countries on every continent, we understand detail is the key to ensuring success. Our team working tirelessly to implement industry-leading quality control procedures so our customers can enjoy user-friendly ordering service with peace of mind, knowing top-rated QA team working for them here. We offer to our customers complete offer of welding torches, abrasive and personal safety products, qualified staff with easy communication in English, modern information systems implemented, developed and efficient logistics organization. We created a complete range of welding products and accessories, which helps our partners to find cost alternative and high-quality goods as the alternative to international well-known manufacturers. RHK TECH Welding offers quick and accurate quotations, high-quality products, timely delivery, and excellent after-sales service. Our aim is to achieve reciprocity and mutual benefit with customers.